Hello everyone, welcome to the first episode of our monthly rundown. Travel Appeal is constantly striving to provide our customers with the best possible solution for leveraging human experience and customer feedback to boost their business performance. Our goal is to quickly and efficiently provide you with the latest updates about what we've been working on over the past 4 to 5 weeks. Today, we're introducing a new series of videos called the Travel Appeal Monthly Rundown. We'll announce new features, update you on which bugs we've been fixing, and share a few tips and tricks so you can master our products, leveraging them to their full potential. We're really excited to introduce a new feature on the dashboard, the Destination Overview. Destination Overview is critical for boutique hotels, small restaurants, and groups and chains alike. As you know, your business is not an island, and it is deeply influenced by how your entire area performs, the amount of visitors, prices, occupancy rates, and events. With a Destination Overview, Travel Appeal provides you with a clear picture of what is currently going on inside your destination. At first glance, the new widget displays the current weather, the overall average sentiment score of your destination, today's occupancy rate for hotel double rooms, the minimum price for a room in your same category, and the number of upcoming events which we predict are going to have an impact on your business. If you are a premium customer, you have access to even more detail. As you may have noticed, starting from October 14th, we've been updating our password security algorithms to align with the highest security standards. We are then requiring all of our customers to update their passwords. If you haven't logged in into the platform since October 14th, you will be prompted to create a new password. Did you know our reviews and posts section allows you to search for any specific keyword amongst all of your reviews? If you're investigating a specific problem, for instance about breakfast, and you really want to know what your customers think about that specific topic, just type in breakfast inside the search bar on the top left side of the screen and hit enter. The review feed will update, displaying only the reviews that contain that specific keyword. When you combine this with the sentiment filter, you can quickly get a clear overview of positive and negative feedback. But there's more. If you search for any keyword, the feed's language intelligence will report reviews containing that keyword in any language, not just the one you search for. And that's all for our first episode. Any feedback is highly appreciated, and let us know if you liked the video, and feel free to send over suggestions about what you'd like to see next.